I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. I'm back in my craft room today. I've decided that I'm going to try and work with this cupboard today and get some things off the floor and into the cupboard. This is going to be a work in progress for me because, like all craft rooms, they evolve over time, and because we're not going anywhere at the moment, trying not to leave home very much, I haven't been down to the shop to buy things, so I'm just working with what I've got. I've already got this white box shelf that we've put inside this wardrobe, and it has boxes here, but they're all full of other things that need to be distributed to other rooms, toys and books and things. So this area is going to need to be cleaned out. I had this vision of opening up this cupboard and having my die cutting station. I really like to use die cuts, but if I don't have it set up ready to go, I find that I can be too lazy to get it out and die cut. So I thought that this would be a good setup for die cutting. So I've put my die cut machine here, and I've got the plates here, and I've just put 2 of my die cutting containers here from my old craft room. I am conscious that I have a lot of unused space here in the cupboard. I am thinking that a built-in shelf here would be very useful. In the meantime, until I can make that happen, I'm going to concentrate on filling up this shelf at the top, which I've already put my magazines. A few years ago I was submitting a lot of my cards to magazines, and I've kept all of those publications there. So I've got my magazines and I've got other things that I can put up here. And I've just, for a little bit of colour, put some pictures here to just decorate the space for now until I get the shelf. So if you could see the room, you'd see that there's boxes and things all over the floor, and so my goal today in this video is to start putting things up here, sorting out this section, and maybe even attempting to sort some of these boxes. So let's see how I go. These boxes I had in my previous craft room, and I don't use them all that much, so I think it's going to be okay to put them up here. That's just, inside that box is just some Christmas ribbons. This one is some of my Project Life cards, so I'm just going to stick that up there. These are some card kits which I should get rid of. I should donate those to a school or something. They're just taking up space. I don't need those. These are some ink pads. These are more, this is all my close to my heart stamps and things in there. That's just a box of stamping products. These are my Kaisercraft rhinestones. I use those a lot. I'm going to keep them on the top. These are some more magazines. These are mainly my Kaisercraft workshop magazines, which I have lots of my work in these, so I definitely want to keep those. This is all of my baby book things. I think that's mainly Nikki's baby book stuff, which hasn't been sorted. Just going to put that up there. And in this box, there's all Christmas card scraps. I used this for when I did a teaching a class for children. That's all in there. And in this, I've just got some random ribbons in there. I'm actually tossing up whether to use my ribbon rack. I have a ribbon rack that I got at Spotlight, and it's good for storing ribbons. I'm tossing up whether to use that or not. I think that could look quite nice in here. I move this over. Because I've taken the ribbons out of this box, I decided to condense down my flower packets. So I've popped all of those in there, and I've spread my other flowers out through my other containers. So that has saved me a lot of space. So I'm just going to pop that up there now. And that top shelf now is pretty much full. I've still got to find my other dies. And I'm going to do a big reorganization of my dies because everyone's always talking about how they store their dies. So stay tuned for that video. This cupboard is pretty much done for the moment. Obviously, I'm going to have to empty out these boxes here down the bottom at some stage. I'm going to leave it here, and my craft room storage and organization video series will continue. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and have a lovely crafty day.